So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. Pretty nice day today here in Pennsylvania. It's starting to warm up a little bit. They were calling for 60 degrees today, but I don't see that happening. But anyway, I've had a pretty busy morning, and here in a few minutes we're going to hook up to the trailer and we're going to head up and see my buddy Adam, and we're going to pick up some more IBC totes. We'll get back here to the house, get those unloaded, and see what else we get into. I just hooked up to the trailer, got everything double and triple checked, and I have one problem. Got a flat tire. This thing's heavy. It says there's 100 pounds of air in there. Hopefully it'll take air. I think it will. And then we'll run over to the tire shop. That's plenty to get me over to the tire shop. But this tank right here, I bought this years and years ago at a garage sale. I highly recommend getting one of these if you don't already have one. Makes things so much easier. All right, we're headed to the tire shop. Hopefully that doesn't take too long, but this got me thinking I need to get a spare tire for this trailer. Must be the day for trailer tires. That guy just got his fixed. Well, I'm back on the road, but with a little bit of bad news. The tire couldn't be fixed. It had a big piece of metal through it, and I don't think the guy at the tire shop was joking. I said, "You're going to be on YouTube," and he said, "It's going to cost you extra." And I think he was right. $157 for a trailer tire, but I'm good to go, and we're heading up to Adams now to pick up the IBC totes. All right, we're here with Adam. Came up to pick some more IBC totes up. Nice hoodie you got there.
Yeah, yep, it's one of the best.
And your t-shirt, because Adam won the last video, or video the other day there, guessing how many minutes it takes to split that. There's a couple stickers there too.
Yes, yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. But yeah, I was afraid someone would think it was rigged, but it was not.
It wasn't, and I even told you I got to represent, right?
Yeah.
I had put in a guess while I was watching the video, and then you said you were going to include the delay, and I'm like, well, that changes things. And so anyhow, I changed my answer, and I can't believe that it was exactly right. But
yeah, you nailed it. And when I searched for those answers, there was like 3 other people that guessed it from old videos in the past. That, you know, whatever it was, I can't remember right now. But yeah, glad you won.
Yes, thank you.
Well, we're here to get more IBC totes. You buy any new equipment? Any more equipment since I was here like a week ago or 2 weeks?
I don't think so. Not this week.
Not this week.
No, I got some parts for the roller. I'm going to be putting it together this week, but no new equipment.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, good. Well, we'll get loaded up and head back to the house. All right, we got all the baskets loaded up, but I had to show you guys, that's a sweet looking golf cart right there.
Thanks, Mike.
How long have you had this?
I got this at the end of last year.
Was this one lifted when you got it, or did you?
Yeah, this one I bought it just the way it is. I have another one in the barn that's just bone stock. It looks like something that just came off the golf course. And aside from having a back seat,
Yeah.
And we use a golf cart all the time. Take the garbage out, do little chores around here, feed the whatever. You know, you're always going somewhere around the property.
Yeah, it's got a nice little bed on the back that flips up.
It does, yeah, and then you can flip it up, and there's a seat there. And well, you can see I popped down for the garage from the house. I used it for that and took garbage out a little bit ago with it.
Some nice wheels on there.
Wheels, and this one has lights underneath it that light up at night. Got a radio.
That's really nice.
It's easier to get. I've got Brenna, she's 9, and you know, if I need something for her to go pick up sticks or whatever, she gets on this and runs it around, and
that's cool.
Does some chores with it.
Well, good. Well, my wife's called a couple times, so I better get on the road.
All right, buddy. Hey, thanks.
We've been busy the whole time, though.
That's right. We have, Melissa. We're working hard.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, we'll see you.
So I got back from Adams a little bit ago, and I wanted to show you something before I unload these totes. This was Adams' little handiwork right here. That is a great way to secure those excess straps right there. That's pretty nice. I drove about, I don't know, it was about a half-hour drive, but on the interstate, you know, 65 miles an hour. As you can see, it didn't move at all. Has them tucked right in there. Close it down on it. Pretty nice. All right, before I unload these, I've got the bucket on the tractor right now. I need to take it down to the wood yard and grab something, and then I'll put the forks on, get these unloaded. So I just grabbed the stand for the super split log splitter that I have on the excavator. I'm gonna move it up here by the building. I think I'm done with that log splitter for a little bit, so I'll bring it up, drop it off, and then we'll put a bucket back on the excavator. But I discovered something on this stand here that'll be pretty handy. I didn't realize it at first. So yeah, this is the stand for the split fire log splitter that goes on the excavator. Well, I just took the bucket down, threw it in there and brought it up here, and then I realized this already has holes in it right here for forks. That's pretty handy right there. Plus, the feet are already pre-drilled. I think I'll put some casters on this. That way I could pick it up with the forks, carry it over inside the building, and just roll it over into the corner somewhere. But yeah, this is pretty handy. So why don't you tell them why my trailer's unhooked from the truck?
Mike had a busy day going to get those, and the dogs had a busy day at the groomers. So it was time for me to go pick them up, and it worked best just to use Mike's truck to put them in, all 3 of them.
What she's saying is the inside of my truck is not as clean as some of the other vehicles that we have. So
well, it's easier to clean out with you know, freshly groomed hair. So yeah, so I'm calling him going, where are you? The dogs are done. So he flew in here, unhooked, and I flew out with his truck. How's the
bruise on your head? I think we need to discuss that.
Yeah, so I hit my head on a table. I was actually on the floor, and I was standing up, and I hit the corner of the table. And I've had lots of people say, oh, you have something on your forehead.
Well, I'm going to unload these.
Okay. Well, we got them all unloaded. I
stacked them too high so I can carry them down to the wood yard. But that should be it. Levi's going to be busy filling those up.
Yeah, that'll keep them busy.
Hey, do you want to wrap this? Oh, don't forget to mention your shirts.
Yeah, click the link. Mike will have it in the description and probably in the comment. That's our website, and you can go to the shop and get some of the shirts we have.
You got, what, about 6 or 7 different styles?
And we have a few more coming, a few new ones that are some of Mike's favorite.
Yeah, absolutely. I love the new one.
Yeah, so check it out. It's at the website, outdoorswiththemorgans.com, and Mike will have the link. You can go to shop and purchase your shirts. So thanks so much for being here, for commenting and being a part of this. We appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one.